Hey guys, it's Lone Star. This is my first little product video, if you want to call it that. I wanted to show you my cell phone GPS mount that I used on the trip, and was very happy with it. It's actually a very high quality unit. It is machined aluminum. It uses a vise type of grip on it. Best thing is it was like 19 bucks on eBay and $9 I think if you order directly from China. But it's basically a mountain bike or bicycle mount. Again, it's machined aluminum. The bar diameter it's cut for is slightly larger than the fat bars on the GSA, but I used a 1/16 of an inch rubber gasket in there, which tightened it up really well. The only thing is, it really works best if you don't have a tank bag or if you have a really low tank bag, because the bag height can come up into it. I have it set up right now for horizontal because that's what I'm using when I'm just running around Dallas. If you want to go vertical, it's very simple. You just pull one screw out. The back is slotted so that you can go vertical or horizontal with it. It's real easy to switch. I tried several other phone mounts that were plastic, and they were just crap. Didn't trust them at all. I know RAM makes one. I'm not a big fan of the X mount thing. I don't see that thing holding for a long period of time, especially in some of the rough stuff I was in. This also includes one of those silicone gaskets if you want to, doubly secure your phone, that just catches the corners, so you can leave it on there and stretch over the corners of the phone. I didn't use it because the thing is held really well. My phone has one of those clear silicone type covers, so you can really get some pressure on it without screwing up the body of it. And a lot of times I ran it in vertical position because I could slide it up enough in the holder to where I could see the majority of the screen over the top of the tank bag. So it works really well if you're looking for something solid. And the best thing about it, it's very inexpensive. The jaw size goes from about 2 3/8 of an inch all the way up to about 4 3/8, maybe 4 1/2. Crazy thing is, I've got a Samsung tablet that I've run as a GPS before, and it will actually hold this tablet, but I wouldn't bet my life on how long it would stay on there because you're out at the end of the threads. But overall, it worked really well. I think it's great if you're using your phone as a backup. I'm not a big fan of the RAM mounts and a bunch of crap mounted on the bars. My old bike, I had to do a couple things on the RAM mounts, but I think you just get so much crap up in here that it's really distracting. So a lot of times I would run the phone with the GPS app and of course the Garmin, and I could just kind of refer back and forth to each of them. But anyway, just a short little video showing you that aspect, and I hope to do some more that are involved, and showing a few more of the things on the bike and some things that worked for me. So anyway, I appreciate you watching it, man. Thanks.